So far, our homeowners and our sales team have really embraced Sales Pro the way that we've rolled it out to them from our outside salespeople. It's also been great. I think they see now that it's not there for me to listen to every second of every call and to nitpick every little thing they do. It's really there as a tool for them to listen to their own calls or to listen to their calls of their peers and look at what was done really well or what could have been done better, and just to hear things back. Because I think when you're living in the moment, you don't see it the way you see it when you're able to kind of sit back, relax, and digest it after the fact. So they've learned that it's not a tool that they need to fear, but a tool that's really gonna help them be better at what they do. My favorite part of using Sales Pro would be just the AI questions and sort of interacting with that. In one-on-one meetings, whoever's recording their calls will come in and we'll ask some questions, and we'll ask some of the generic, what could have been done better? How could they have overcome this obstacle? As we grow as a company, in order to provide this individualized level of attention and coaching and to really have, my thumb or our thumb on what is going on in homes with our sales team and our technicians, this is crucial and vital to have. I think the alternative, if you don't have this, is you're going to have to hire a lot of overhead. You're going to need a lot of managers, whereas this lets you streamline the process. It lets you be in 10 places at once, and it lets you manage and coach a higher number of individuals than you could if you had to actually physically be doing ride-alongs. Another thing that we do that's interesting, and probably most companies do, but we've done training sessions where we listen to somebody's call and sort of as a team, and then digest it of what went well, what didn't. That's been an interesting usage of it that everybody should be doing if they're not doing it.